Okay, this was the TDS-744A that I picked up for an excellent deal, mainly because the aesthetics looks pretty rough. Looks like the front panel can be cleaned up. I pretty much only see there's a little bit of could be cleaned up. Case probably could be painted. I see here chip. The back cover's crack in the back cover. And I'll get the serial number also, but all the modules are here. And does this have the options listed? This has the 1M. This has the 1M stock. And it's about all I see aesthetic-wise. Maybe a little bit on the back panel, but other than that, this is one I think it's just the aesthetics. So let's fire it up and see what happens. Try to turn it on. It doesn't want to turn on. Let's see. Back switch. And doesn't want to turn on. There we go. Make sure it powers. Let's see how this thing starts up. Wow, awesome. Some 4-color scope. Sweet. It's working, it's powering up. Oh, awesome. So there's 13 1F, 1M, and 2F is on here. Awesome. And sweet. Power and self-test. What is this? This is version 1.1E. So awesome. Isn't that sweet? Man, this is like, I think it's $330. Wow, that's awesome. Doesn't look too noisy either. Channel 1's a little more, but let's do the test and see. Wow, that's way cool. Awesome. I'm excited. So this is a model that's known where I think you can take out a capacitor, capacitors, resistors, and that'll automatically turn into a 744A, especially with the 1M stock come with this. So this, I think, if I understand correctly, can turn into from a 500 megahertz, 2 gigasample a second, to a 1 gigahertz, 4 gigasample a second build. So this literally, pretty much with a little work, could turn into a way high dollar. So I think this is an excellent find. Got this from Teledyne, LeCroy, good, I have to look, on eBay. Awesome, wow, cool.